Many Nigerian businesses pay some suppliers in foreign currency. ZetaFisc handles this fully. You record the bill in its own currency, and the books are kept in Naira at the exchange rate you set. Let us record a bill in US dollars. We pick the supplier, Prime Logistics, for an international freight charge. Now the key step, we change the currency from Naira to US dollars. Because this is a foreign currency, ZetaFisc asks for the exchange rate, with a link to the official central bank rates. We enter today's rate, 1,600 Naira to the dollar. We enter the line in dollars, $1,500 of freight. Watch the totals. ZetaFisc shows the dollar amount and, right beside it, the Naira equivalent at our rate, $1,500 becomes 2,400,000 Naira. That Naira figure is what posts to the ledger. We save the foreign currency bill. Then we open it and raise a voucher to pay it, ticking the line and processing it through, exactly as before. The voucher keeps the dollar currency and the rate. The dollar voucher is now awaiting approval. Once approved, the payment team pays it, and at that moment they enter the rate on the payment day, which may differ from today's. In the next video we do exactly that, and see how ZetaFisc records the exchange gain or loss.